The next part of skeleton is appendicular skeleton, which consists of limb bones, bones of the forelimb and hind limb, and the girdles which join the two forelimbs and the hind limbs. Let us see the bones of forelimb. In the forearm shoulder से लेके elbow तक, there is present a single bone called humerus. In the mid-arm from elbow till the wrist, there are present two bones, radius and ulna. You can see towards the thumb it is radius and towards the digits or fingers it is ulna. In the wrist region there are present 8 bones which are called carpals. In the forearm we have a single bone, humerus. In the mid-arm, which have two bones, radius and ulna. In the wrist region there are present 8 small bones which are called carpals. In the palm region, हथेली में, there are present 5 bones. Let us see, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the palm bone. Palm region में there are present 5 metacarpals, and in the digits, that is fingers, there are present 3 bones in each finger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. But in the thumb region there are present 2 bones. These are called phalanges. 3 4 are 12 and 2 14 bones. तो देखिए फिंगर रीजन में हमारे पास है कितना, जितना बेंड हो रहा है 1 2 3, and in the thumb region it bends at one region only. So there are 2 in the fingers, there are 3 bones. So the bones of forelimb are humerus, radius and ulna, 8 carpals in the wrist region, 5 metacarpals in the palm region, and 14 phalanges in the digits region, 3 in each digit and 2 in the thumb. In the in the lower limb, that is the hind limb, the bones present are, it is in the thigh, there is present a bone, single bone called femur. In the calves region, there are present 2 bones, tibia and fibula. In the ankle region, AD में, there are present 7 tarsals. In the foot region, there are present 5 metatarsals and phalanges. वैसे ही phalanges in the thumb 2 and in the toes, in the tips and toes जो हमारे पास हैं. टिप, पैर के अंगूठे में अगेन 2 और पैर की उंगलियों में जो हैं 3 बोन्स ईच. तो सेम है, यहाँ पे रिस्ट रीजन में 8 थी, मगर यहाँ पे एंकल रीजन में कितनी है, 7 है. बट देयर इज प्रेजेंट अ एडिशनल बोन कॉल्ड टैला which is also known as the knee bone, the flat large bone present in the knee region which is visible, that is called tala. Now these two, they are joined by girdles. देखिए, this is the hind limb, these are 2 hind limbs, they are joined together by this structure, and this structure is called pelvic girdle or the hip girdle. And these are the bones of forelimb, and they are joined together by 2 bones, and these are called, they form the pectoral girdle. Let us see the bones present in the pectoral girdle. This is the collar bone जो neck में नजर आती है. This is called clavicle, and the triangular bone present at the back of the shoulder, पीछे एक छोटे बच्चों में बहुत क्लियरली नजर आती है. दिस ट्रायंगुलर बोन, दिस इज कॉल्ड स्कैपुला. 2 bones present in the pectoral girdle, that is the shoulder girdle, they are clavicle, the neck bone, and the scapula, the triangular bone. And the bones present in the pelvic girdle or the hip girdle, they are the ilium, this bone, this is ischium, and this is pubis. Ilium, ischium, and pubis. That is all about the skeleton system.